Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past paper extended June series 2021. Okay, here is the total cost of the taxi journey is calculated as 0.5 per kilometer plus 0.4 per minute. Okay, calculate the total cost of a journey of 32 kilometer that takes 30 minutes. So this is 32 per kilometer, so 32 we multiply by 0.5 and then we plus by, here it is 30 minutes multiplied by 0.4. So we got 32 multiplied by 0.5, here is 16 plus by 30 we multiply by 0.4, got as 12. So the total pay is 28, the total cost. Okay, the total cost of a journey of 100 km is 98. Show that the time taken is 2 hours. So here it is, the information that we need. Here is 0.5 per kilometer and 0.4 per minute. So 2 hours, 2 we multiply by 60 as 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So here is 120 minutes. Okay, so we got 98 here. So first to find the total cost here, so we got 100 kilometer, we multiplied by 0.5 and plus by 2 hours is 120, we multiplied by 0.4. Okay, so 100 we multiplied by 0.5, we got as 50 plus by 120 multiplied by 0.4, we got as 40. This must be equal to 98. So 50 plus by 48 equal to 98. So here is proof, $98. Okay, 3 taxi drivers travel a total of 8,190 km in the ratio 5 to 7. Calculate the distance of each driver. So let us calculate the total part. So we got 5 plus 2 plus 7. Here is 14. So you got 5 over 14 times 810. Here's when we simplify it by 14, it's gonna be 1, it's gonna be 585. So we multiply by 5. So the first driver, this is 2,925 kilometer. The second driver is 2 over 14. We multiply by 8,190. We divide by 14, 585. Then we divide by, we multiply by 2. So we got as 1,170. Next, the third driver, 7 over 14 times 8,090. Sorry, 8,190. Here also we could simplify it. 585. Then we multiply it by 7. It is 4,095. Okay, after midnight, the cost of any taxi journey increased by 45%. One journey costs 84.1 after midnight. Calculate the cost of the same journey before midnight. So before midnight, so this is before midnight. Let's make it as K. So increase it by 45%. So 1 plus by 45%. So this is equal to 84.10. Okay, so we got 1 plus by 45%. So K equal to 1.45. Here is 84 point. Okay, we divide by 1.45 both of sides. So So 84.1 divided by 1.45. So we got SK, or before midnight, equal to $58. Okay, number 2, the diagram show the speed time graph for the first 180. So here is 180 seconds of a train journey. Okay, find the acceleration in meter per second of the train during the first 50 seconds. Here is the 50 seconds. Let's calculate it. So we got as speed, we divided by the time. Speed is 9 meter per second. We divide by 50 seconds. So we got as 0.18. Here is 0.18 meter per second square. Okay, after 180 seconds, the train decelerates at a constant rate of 1,944. This is kilometer per hour square. Show that the train decelerate for 60 seconds until it stops. So first, let us convert into meter per second square. So you got this 1,944. We move meter to meter. A kilometer to meter is 1,000. Then we divide by hour to second square. So square. Here we multiply. So here is 1944. So let's continue. 36 times is 12,960. So here is equal to 0.15. Okay, then here is the speed is 9. So 9 we divide by 0.15. This is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so 180 plus by 60 seconds. Okay, so here is 240. That is, it will stop. So to complete it, just make it the straight line until 240. Okay, calculate the average speed of the train for the whole journey. So this is the trapezium. So this is the high. Okay, this is A and B. So to find the area of trapezium, we need is 1/2. We multiply with A plus B times with the height. So 1/2. A is 240. B is from 50 to 180. So which is 130. The height equal to 9. Okay, we can continue. So 240 plus by 130, so a half of 370 times 9. Then we can multiply. So okay, here is one. This is 9. Okay, the area is 1,665. First thing that we need to know, then we can divide it by 240 as the time. Here 240 we divide it. So the total area we divide by 240. The total area is 1,665. We divide by 240. Divide by 240. Here is the time from 0 to stop is 240. So we got it. Speed is 6.9375 meter per second. Okay, there it is. I will continue for the next part. Thank you.